Hello and welcome to Total IELTS. Peter here, and in today's lesson I'll be looking at the role of paraphrase in the IELTS speaking test, how it's graded, what it is, and how to do it. Your ability to paraphrase is graded in the lexical resource criterion. You can see that it's mentioned in almost every band, ranging from band 4, rarely attempts paraphrase, up to band 7 and 8, effective use of paraphrase as required. What is the ability to paraphrase? It's basically not repeating yourself. That's using the same words and phrases in your answers and when you respond to prompts. And it's also trying to explain a word or phrase that you've forgotten, or maybe you just don't know it. So how do we do it? Let's look at a typical Part 3 question. Do you believe that professional football players earn too much money? First of all, don't repeat the question or parts of it. That's not effective paraphrasing. If you want to buy some time when you're thinking about your answer, use a phrase like, "A lot of people seem to think that, but in my opinion." You can paraphrase using synonyms, changing the form of the word, and using different grammatical structures from the question. Let's go back to the question. Do you believe that professional football players earn too much money? Your answer could be, it's a popular belief, that's changing the form of the word believe, that huge salaries are being earned, here you've changed the sentence structure to passive, by footballers today, and footballers is a synonym of football players. Forgetting the word in the IELTS speaking test is a very common occurrence, and when this happens, you can try to paraphrase. For example, if you forget the name of this person's job, you can say something like, "It's the person who gives you a parking ticket," and that's a traffic warden. If you forget the name of this device, you can say something you use to open a wine bottle, and that's a corkscrew. If you forget the name of this place, you can say it's a place where you take used glass and plastic, and it's a recycling center. Paraphrasing effectively will increase your lexical band score. Not only that, but it will have a positive effect on your fluency and coherence because it means less repetition, and even on your grammatical accuracy score because it shows you're using more complex sentence structures.